Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist. So let me unzip the strap. Basically, you want to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much, basically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing we need to do is to open the glances, and to open the glances, simply press the up or down button, like this. Once you open the glances, use the up and down buttons to scroll through them. Find the heart rate widget, this one, and then you can press start/stop button to open it. But if you have your watch on your wrist, it should automatically start detecting your heart rate right here. So as you can see here, we have it. But if you press the start/stop button, you will have like a graph. You can check the more statistics, last 4 hours, for example. You can press the down button to scroll down for the average resting heart rate, and you can basically check the stats right here. And the watch measures the heart rate in real time, I believe, so the number will jump around, but once it stabilizes a little, it should be your current heart rate. Okay, and once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the back/lap button to go back, and then press it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.